In this video, we are going to be learning how to block phishing emails in Outlook. Phishing emails are emails that are sent with malicious intent from the senders to the recipients. They are usually sent to retrieve sensitive or confidential information from the recipient, and they could also lead you to take compromising actions that could work against your security, your cyber security. Another thing about phishing emails is that they come as if they are from reliable sources. They come as if they are from banks or from companies or from organizations. And so you could either report them as phishing emails or report as junk email. Any email that you are suspecting that is a phishing email. To do so, you are going to click on the particular mail that you feel is a phishing email. We are going to be using this particular mail as an example. Then you go to the upper right part of your screen and then click on the ellipsis sign, which is represented by three dots. After clicking on it, you go to report. You could report as junk or report as phishing, and that would save you from phishing emails having access into your email. I hope you found this video very helpful. If you did, like the video and subscribe to the channel. The subscribe button doesn't bite. Bye.